not very big. Another trouty or no, proper cod. Alright, camp set up. She's fucking howling. Have a look at the trees. Yeah, we're at the Murrumbidgee. Just got the boat in at the ramp there. That's on all crooked. We're gonna get going, just me and Harv's going for a fish. So, see how we go. Oh, get on myself. So what are we gonna throw?
Surface.
Yeah, I got my big surface, blister tremor, beast freak, miller's rod, Abu beast. Harv's got his all Abu. He's going to run the smaller hunchback, and I got a spinnerbait just in case it's only small water, so Harv's can throw the small and I'll throw that, and if we get darker I might throw the big one. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
What a giant!
Yeah, see the biggest thing in the river.
I think it's a trout cod.
Yeah, there's no spots on the face. It's a trout cod.
That's my first trout cod.
Yahoo!
Is it?
Yeah, it's a trout cod. There's no spots on the
Sick.
face.
Check that out.
Trout cod.
It's my first trouty.
I know it's time to got that. Well, not got that, but lemon. Oh, you want.
First trout cod, I think.
Yep.
That's sick. Check out that tiny little sucker. Yeah, that's cool. Oh well.
Better keep fishing.
Get him and chuck him back. Yeah, I think so. Different pattern.
Yep.
What'd you say? No spots on the face of that part of it?
Yeah, Murray cod has spots on the face, trout cod don't.
And they've always got the overbite, eh?
Yeah, from the aquarium.
Ah.
Told to see it.
Oh, well. There you go, mate. See you later. That's sick off that little stag there.
Yeah.
See if there's anything else on it.
Told you it'd be good.
Yeah. Oh, Harves, only just the one trout cod for us, eh?
Yeah.
It's alright, it's the first one. It's bloody howling windy, I don't know if you can hear it. Cockies are up, but it's impossible to fish. So, just gonna run through, Got the one trout cod on the 5/8 single willow spinnerbaits. Spinnerbaits seem to have the best hooks. I put a Berkeley hollow belly on the back. It's copped a flogging with a stinger. Berkeley hollow bellies are my favourite, like little swim plastic. They just swim the best, get eaten. Show you. So this is in the current, we're just spot locked. That's just the current. Have a look at that thing. Isn't that just insane?
Yeah.
So, keeps jumping out. See the tail. So, yeah, that's us for this session.
Yep.
I'm gonna go back to the camp, take Harvey back, have dinner. Well, I might not. Wait till that sun drops a little bit more. What time say it was, Harvs? It's about 6:30, I think.
About 6:49.
So I got another 2 hours till dark, maybe 2.5 hours. Then I'll fish big surface when I come back out for that low light period. Chuck a blister tremor around, see if I can't get a giant jump on. Yeah, it's joined. Oh, that's us by the looks of it. Harv's tying us up. I'll be back later with the big session. Okay, it's 7:30. Time to go throw some surface, just had dinner. It's bloody beautiful. Yeah, head on down there. And throw the tremor around now. A couple of squids getting around on jet skis down here. Just totally destroying the good water, which is all part of East Coast summer fishing, I hear. Winter's not so bad. How's that log boiling at the back right there? That's a ripper. Oh well. Let's go hit it. Well, here we are back at camp. Drifted all the way back down. Nice moon, could fish tonight, but I'll get up early in the morning and fish. Well, good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning. Just got out of bed. The sun shouldn't be too far away from starting to pop up. Walk down. We'll push the boat out. Have a go. It's absolutely howling wind. The worst night's sleep didn't like get to sleep till 2:30, and then it rained at 3:15. Woke me up, closed some of the windows, and now it's bloody freezing this morning. So got a warm coffee. But we'll get into it and hopefully get a big dog on surface this morning. I think we'll drift down with the current and see how we go. If we no luck with that, we'll maybe move back onto spinnerbait, see if some smaller fish around when the light comes up, but hopefully get a big one to eat off the top, capture it on film. See how we go. Well, sun's up. Haven't had a bite. About 7 o'clock. Can't give up, but don't catch one giving up. You got to keep at it. Just go through the grind. Trust the system. If I don't get one on top water, I'll have a go with the spinnerbait. It's bloody freezing this morning though. Definitely do with some socks and stuff. It's supposed to be middle of summer. Few cows on the bank. I've got $1 million view, them suckers. The water's dropped a fair bit overnight. It's still high from the floods, so don't know what its normal high to be, or if the normal big logs that the bigger ones sit on are underwater completely now or what. But okay, it's 7:30, freezing, so I just put some socks on, got the jet boil going, so make a warm cuppa, try and warm up, I don't know what's going on with this GoPro. She's cards says it's full where it shouldn't be, but see how much longer we get out of it. Might stick a little bit longer to surface and then probably go to spinnerbait because there's a fair bit of light as the sun's going up. So yeah, see how we go. Time to have a look with the spinnerbait, I reckon. There's a good rock wall coming up. Yep. Not very big. Another trouty or no, proper cod. Well, another little one for the morning. Well, first one for the morning. Just make sure we're spot locked before we hit this log. And we're going to hit it. That sucks. Oh well. Look at that, first cod for the morning. Good little ripper. Yep, on the spinnerbait. It's a proper cod, that one, not a trout cod. Stoked. Absolutely. On the spinnerbait. He's absolutely engulfed that. Got him with both stinger and frontal. Oh, let him go. That little fella. That's sick. Let's get another one. Got to get off this log first. There we go. Sitting up against a rock edge. See if there's any more. That reel's making a terrible noise. Thought there might be one along this rock edge, that's why I moved to spinnerbait. Nice. Just working this dead timber edge along here with the spinnerbait. Current's ripping through it. So key is what I'm trying to do is just get to the back where there's a bit of an eddy, bit of still water. Just fish it quickish. Really only fishing that still water, and then when it gets out into this fast water, just ripping it back a bit. Sometimes just give the rod tip just a bit of a jerk, just so you can make sure the spinnerbait, the spinner's spinning, because if you can't feel it, sometimes it'll just be slightly fouled up. And if you give it a bit of a rip, it'll get it going. Just broke my Minn Kota. That's f***ed. Smashed the collar straight out of it on a log. That's totally f***ed. Have a look at that. Just went bang. Smashed the, oh, broke that bit in there. You bastard. Oh. Well, that's me, guys. I think that's the end of it. We'll wrap her up there. So caught a trout cod and a little Murray cod while we're here on the Murrumbidgee. Not a bad spot. Seemed like a few littler fish anyway. Finished off with just snapping the collar on my Minn Kota, hit a log. It is a contact sport when you're in this sort of water, so oh well. I'll see if I can get it fixed, which is going to be a real bastard, and I'll get back to you there. So thanks a lot for watching, and cheers.